There we go. Welcome to day 17 of the trading challenge. We are down by a bunch, guys. We are down by a bunch. We're down from 227 to 203, as you see on the screen. We gotta get back on the horse, guys. We gotta get back on the horse. We gotta get back on the winning streak. And, you know, we got one goal for today. Do not short the support. Do not long the resistance. That's the only thing. I mean, if we can accomplish that today, I think we're good. Regardless of whether we win or lose, if we do not short the support and we do not long the resistance, I think we're gonna be fine. I think we're gonna be fine. Yesterday, anchor long 10x, 220 bucks, 203. We lost 17 bucks. We're gonna see how today goes. This is 13%. And you know, that's where we are right now. Right now, I'm looking at Shiba Inu because I had this alarm going down over here, and there is this very, very nice channel. So right now, we're getting into some kind of overextensions towards downside over here. Sorry about that. This is actually a line that I actually put over here for a long time ago over here. You can see up here we are some kind of 25. So we're getting very, very close to the bottom. This overextension up here looks very juicy. I mean, I just opened the chart. I haven't actually looked at it. It is down from the stop towards downside over here, 6%. But I don't know if you guys seen Phantom. Phantom is down 15% and it's still dropping down. But from the top, all the way from the top, all the way down, it's down 16.2%. I don't know how that happened. But you know, Phantom is down by a bunch. It just got wrecked over here. And look at it move towards downside up here. There is also no divergence up here towards downside. Momentum was actually increasing up here when it was going up a little bit on daily time frame. Weekly time frame up here, we still don't have this, you know, extreme levels down at here at 30 or anything like that, but sitting down here at 42 levels. It is exploding towards downside over here. There was also doji up here, so this is a little bit bearish, actually a lot bearish, very, very bearish. So we're gonna see that, but this move towards downside is very, very steep, very, very fast, and this might have just been a capitulation move over here. You can see this big candle towards downside over here. This is 5.2% towards downside. So I was thinking maybe we should find a trend on the 15-minute time frame somewhere, and then, you know, long that trend regardless of where it goes, you know, up or down right now. And over here, maybe something like this over here toward downside. How do we pick up this? This actually over here. That means that this part is a little bit over here. And then you got this move over here, something like this. There we go. Bitcoin to 52K, please. I don't know about that. Danny's in the chat. How you doing, man? What's up? How's life? Let's go to the weekly time frame and just see where the supports are over here on the weekly time frame. This logarithmic chart, so we don't want to look at that. Major support level up here right now, breaking that towards downside over here. The other major support level was the trend line over here. It was kind of holding. I would say it's over here somewhere, give or take. And it was kind of holding it right now. It is breaking towards downside. It's second line over here right now, coming to that bottom down there. 100 bucks and then zero. I don't know, man. I don't know. But if you remember from the yesterday's stream, you know, it's all about entertainment. It's not about winning or losing. It's about entertainment. How much can I entertain you with the streams? That's what it's all about, right? So I'm guessing we are coming very, very close to some kind of bottom over here. And there is also a channel over here. You can see the channel. Let me just see on the big moving averages over here. Do we have anything? We got a 50 down here. We got a 50 all the way down there. That's important. Like monthly over here, it's, you know, way down there. So I don't think that is 50 weekly. Daily over here. Do we have anything on daily now? We are below everything up here, and everything else we are below that. So that looks nice. There is another channel over here that I'm seeing right now. It goes over here. There is channel goes something like this, I would say. This looks nice. I don't know. this looks like a bottom to me though. Like this move over here, like regardless how you draw it. You long again today, please don't start shorting the market goes up. Be short. Stop long in a bear market. I don't know. I think I'm gonna long Phantom right now. It's down minus 14.3%. Bitcoin, let's look at Bitcoin over here a little bit. What is Bitcoin doing? This is Cardano, so we're not gonna look at it. Bitcoin over here is pulling down big time. On the daily time frame up here, we still got a little bit divergence over here. 2-day time frame, there is actually a little bit divergence up here. Momentum is still going towards downside up here, just getting rejected big time. 12 hour, when is 4 hour closing? 30 minutes. We got a 30 minutes close very, very soon. 1 hour close. $13.15. The trend hasn't broken though. So if you look over here, let's assume this over here is the trend. Like this PD is, but you know, the bigger trend hasn't broken. Let's go to Phantom USDT Bybit perpetual short entry. All lines guys, all lines. Right now the 4 hour is sitting at 24, 1 hourly right now sitting 2 times, 1 time over here, second time up here. The word's already all over the place. It's already down by a bunch. Not chip is this one. Bitcoin 3.4. ETF is killing Bitcoin. Going to long ICP around 7. ICP. $6.3 right now. We got nothing. We just got one candle over here. Look at this volume. Look at the volume up here. This is a red volume. I mean, there's been some significant volume over here so far. The question is whether we are done or not, right? That's the big question. That is the big question. So Phantom up here, this 1 minute time frame. Let's go to 5 minutes. Let's go. What do we say? 15 minutes. So this over here, I mean, it looks nice. Let's put it over here. I mean, can we get more support over here than this? Look at this over here. It's just bled down big time. Covering 15 minutes over here. It's 5 minutes. I don't know. Do you guys like Phantom? Look at them hands. We are all in trade. Good evening. Not yet, not yet. Very soon though, very soon though. I don't know. Let's look at the overextensions over here. Now on the 5 minutes time frame, we don't have any overextensions. But bigger time, look like extreme overextensions. For hourly. These are some next level, you know, extreme overextensions. regardless. We got two touches over here though. We got this one, we got that one, we got a top over here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, guys. 1, 2, 3. 6 hourly closing 4 hourly. 4 hourly closing 24 minutes. Look at a VIF. What's happening with VIF, man? VIF dumping big time. Can't 4 hourly. It's just bleeding so fast. Like everything right now is bleeding very, very fast. This after the daily close, this is down 17%. A lot of movement with VIF. Yeah. Phantom is down 14%. VIF is down a big time. VIF is down 16%. Flocky 11%. Pepe 10%. Dogecoin 5%. Ooh, Dogecoin looks nice for a long. Why is Phantom down 14%? That's what I want to know. I don't know. This should go over here, then over there, something like this. Now, because the midline over here is a little bit, you know, skewed towards other side. Tau. It's very important to know where the channel is going though. I think it's over here somewhere. Then we take this over here, pull it all the way down there. Look at it falling candle, man. I kind of just want to long anything right now. Just long and just wait, you know, for 3 days. Good evening, boy. How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Been a lot to talk about Polkadot lately because influencers are getting, you know, paid. Doing well. How about you? Cannot complain. The wife made some food. I ate the food. I'm good. We all right, man. We all right. Let's go to 4 hour time frame up here. Everything is in red. Like there is definitely no way I'm shorting anything right now. Like look over here. Like everything is in red. Now we could be a little bit, you know, trend followers and stuff like that, but everything is so low. It would be crazy, you know. It would be crazy doing some kind of, you know, short over here right now. Especially after this kind of move over here towards downside over here, like. Can it go down? Of course it can. It can just do like, you know, and then do another move up down here, right? So there is that. Drop it. What am I gonna do with you, man? You have no faith. Where is the faith, man? These double wicks on downside on 1 hourly time frame looks juicy, like. But the 4 hourly over here, the 4 hourly, man, the 4 hourly. I'm gonna trade? No, not yet. Just waiting. Just waiting. Waiting to miss the trade. Bitcoin already bouncing a little bit, so everything is bouncing. But look at Bitcoin. Maybe we should just long Bitcoin, guys. Maybe we should just long Bitcoin. Like this is super nice, but it has to go pretty high up, you know, to get anything out of it, man. Especially this move over here. Like this over here is super nice. Now, what this move does is this move and then goes down and towards up. You know what? We're gonna do Bitcoin. I mean, why not? You guys wanna show a long Bitcoin. You wanna be contrarian a little bit and long Bitcoin and be like, yeah, we're gonna long Bitcoin. At least I'm gonna long Bitcoin on 1 minute time frame over here, because this over here is overextension, pumps back, consolidates, dumps back, and then breaks to, you know, the trend towards the upside. Now, unfortunately, even if it does all the way down here, we are looking at, you know, it gotta pump, you know, a whole bunch towards the upside, 60.3 again to get the, you know, our target or anything like that. I YOLO'd long Tau and Phantom. How can you just YOLO long, man? Long or short? How can I short anything, man? How can I short anything? It's one of those times when, you know, you miss the trade because you're waiting too long. It's okay. I mean, I would be fine if we have no trade day today. So far we had, you know, every single day there was a trade, but, you know, it would be okay if we have no trade. Like, it would be okay. I mean, it's not good for entertainment, but it's okay. Just scalped with. You guys have trigger fingers, man. You are just clicking empty, like click buttons, like it's a casino. Just anything goes. But this 1 minute time frame over here looks juicy though. Degens. Is there anything right now recovering big time? Did IGX get premium index spot? Did IGX get deals from Binance or something like that, guys? Man, Bitcoin 58k today. I used Franking candles Lux also auto indicate. Definitely didn't just click. You just clicked, man. You just clicked. Start logging now. We're shorting well. You guys want me to long so you can short. I know you guys. You have no faith in me. Literally no faith. You're like, let's watch what this guy's gonna do, and then we're gonna do the opposite. I like to long FUD about good projects. That might be, you know, a very good case. Oh man, this thing looks ugly, man. This thing just keeps on bleeding. We're winning today. We gotta win today. I mean, we've been losing for so long, so, you know, today gotta be the day. What happened on this candle over here, man? What happened? somebody just, you know, instant, you know, put like this is a big long position over here. We're gonna go down there right now to liquidate this guy. This guy by himself, 2% over here. Man, this is a 5-second candle. This is a 1-second candle, man. Somebody FOMO'd long over here. Pushed price 1.85% towards upside. He ate the order book on Binance. It was like, you know what, I'm going. It's probably not on Bybit. Let's see, we see 1 minute Bybit over here. There is actually on Bybit as well over here, that move, but yeah, there's same move over here on Bybit as well. So, you know, might not be in one guy adjustment, but it's 87%. Somebody wants to go. Somebody wants it to go. We don't care about that somebody. What we care about is the lines. Push it down more. Push it down more. Guys, it's happening. It is happening. Bitcoin's on fire. Oh, Bitcoin's getting rejected. That move. Like it broke up here in the channel, but it's gonna go and bam and to the moon on 1 minute time frame. Unfortunately, that's not very helpful. 13 minutes to the close, guys. 13 minutes to the close. I think we're getting ready. We're gonna take a quick 5-minute break, and then we're gonna go. We're gonna go. Short. Why does everybody want me to short? No, man. Why would I short? Everything is down by a bunch. We need music in. There is music. There is background music. Can you not hear the background music? There, I put a little bit up. Maybe it's better now. Short link from 17 to 20. Now it's 13.7. Nice. Long, I'm sure. Short, everything is cheaper today. Check please X. X what? Twitter? Will be cheaper. Destroy the like button. Look at them hands, guys. Look at them hands. See? It already did that. See this move? See this 1 minute move over here? How's Phantom doing? Still waiting for the 4-hourly close, guys. Still waiting for the 4-hourly close. Bottoms. I think I want to go below this level. PNX coin is so up shorted. What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, better. That's good. I never know how, you know, how high or low the music should be. It's too loud right now. I think it might be too loud. Let me check. Bitcoin pump $1. Nah, it's still going down. Yeah, it's better now. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so let me see. It needs to be right over there. So when it comes 35, 40, 35 decibels. 30, minus 30 decibels. I need to lower it to minus 30 decibels. Okay, I'll remember it. Yesterday you long, it dumps, so do the reverse today. Nah, we still keep on longing. We still keep on longing. Look at this trend over here, man. Look at this downtrend over here. From over here. It's getting squeezed. It's getting squeezed, guys. It's getting squeezed. We will touch roughly 55 at some point, I think. Whether that's after a bounce, short bounce, or directly, I don't know. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 59.7. So, you know, 55, there's a long way to go down. See Bitcoin weekly candle with an MA support next 48k, empty space. Empty space, this, empty space, that. No, we go up. Five more minutes, last 5-minute candle, guys, last 5-minute candle. This looks dumpy as you know what. It looks very dumpy though, gotta tell you that. It looks very, very dumpy. And you know, still 4 hours left on the daily candle. 2 day over 1 day, 3 day over here, 1 day 5. Weekly, still 4 days left. It just keeps on bleeding down like a brick. Like a brick. This 1 hourly looks promising though. But not version on 1 hourly. Where's 2 hourly? For hourly hitting these 30 levels all the way from 1730. Imagine that. Imagine that. Still looking at this, whatever this is. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. I think we got something over here. On 5-minute time frame. We don't need moving averages because right now they're not helping us. Failed to break up there. Still pushing down, pushing down. No, I want everything over here. Phantom 14.57 down, 14.57% down, 3 minutes left on the 4-hourly close. Getting exciting, guys, it's getting exciting. I take off my watch, it's kind of starting to annoy me. Oh, that's better. What kind of downside are we looking at? 1-2% towards downside over here if it goes all the way down there. It goes up to recovery might be okay. One, two, three. Triple bottom. There is support over here. Sitting on the support. Give or take. 5-minute time frame, 50 minutes time frame all the way down there. Nah, we're gonna wait after the 4-hourly close. I don't care how if I lose the trade, I'm gonna close the stream. No trade today, that's fine. But on the other hand, if the 4-hourly plays as I think it's gonna play out, because I think, you know, we're gonna get this big fat candle over here, then we're gonna get some kind of wick over here and right back up there again. Because overextensions are extreme. Right now sitting at 23 RSI, exploding towards downside. This overextension is just like this one over here, the big drop over here, which pulled back big time. It was even larger actually by the time it actually was all the way down there. $58K for sure, of course it's Twitter. 58K. I don't know what you guys doing, but you know, or what they say, what you're smoking, but it goes over here like there we go. We got a 4-hourly close, guys. We got a 4-hourly close. And we got nothing. We have nothing right now. Bitcoin bouncing a little bit. We're gonna see that. We all trade against you. Stop trading against me, guys. Maybe I'll subscribe to trading. I mean, that is a very good probability. Like we discussed this yesterday. Maybe the reason I'm losing, you know, after the first 7 days is because you guys are going against me. Like every time I do a long, you go short. Every time I short, you go long. Maybe you are my bane of my existence. Bitcoin chart looks like business pull now. We need pull down. We need to pull down. I think it's gonna go lower though. But it looks like it's going up first though. So we are creating a wick. Wick is fine. Could we say this over here, this trend over here? It's gonna be the smallest wick ever. the history of weeks. I mean, technically we are on the support, right? And as soon as this trend over here breaks towards the upside, it's gonna go. I longed for real. Longed. I don't know, guys. My fingers are not as trigger happy right now as they should be. You're getting late, bro. Maybe I'm gonna lose. I don't know. Long the bottom, not the top. You know, at least even if I long over here. Even if I long over here, I'm gonna be happy because I long some kind of support. Even if it goes down, I'll be happy, right? So because that's the goal for today. Just long any kind of support. You see support level, just long that, right? That is the goal of today, right? Long the support, not a resistance level, right? Any kind of support, just long that, man. Just long that. Support, we long. And right now we don't have any moving averages. We got these close over here on the daily, and the that's support right now breaking into that area down here, going towards this level, towards downside up here on the 5-minute time frame. But that's what we get. We got only this line over here. We got only this line over here, and it is still bleeding down. So we're gonna let it go. We're gonna let it bleed. I think it wants to dump. Let's wait a sweep of a low and push higher. Yeah, but the problem with the sweep low down here, that's the sweep low. If you look at the bigger time frames over here, it needs to get a bit below these levels over here. And if you see, that move down here, the question is where is the stop, right? The question is where is the so this trend is pretty quick. It's actually just one line. I don't know about this over here. Oh, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Almost there. What's this? I think it was something like this over here. These lows over here. Or these lows. I don't know. You guys think this can actually fall down more? Like another 14-15% down? Can Phantom go 15% down more? I don't know, man. I don't know. But this move down over here is 5-6% down more. It's already down like 15%. Why Phantom only? Revenge trade? There is no revenge trade. I didn't think we did Phantom over here. Yeah, we actually did Phantom up here. I forgot. No, it's not. It's not a revenge. Revenge trade is when you immediately after you wanna get your money back. That's revenge trade, right? But nah, the only reason I'm doing Phantom is because Phantom is down 14%, while everything else is down like 5 to 7, 8%, something like that. All right. There are actually coins that are not down at all. The day you short Phantom is, if you were to carry the trade, you could be a millionaire. Could have, We don't look at it like that, you know. We cannot hold trade that long. Our entry needs to be on the dollar. If it's on the dollar, we'll hold the trade. But I think it goes over here. But let's go all the way there. That's the question. This one is 0.05. Let's look this on FTM USDT on Bybit. Over here. Now let's keep this one, and over here this is a Bybit one. I don't know. I think this is it. Where is it? Nah, I don't know. I'm a little bit unsure about that. I'm a little bit unsure. You know what? It's some kind of bottom, you know. I still don't see. I still don't see. It is very volatile though. It's good enough for me. I think it's good enough for me. I don't know if it's good enough for you, but I think it's good enough for me. Now we wait. One day my friend hold the trade 25x Bitcoin first. It was down under 30% after 2 days, 77%. One day my friend hold. Oh yeah, one day your friend hold. You know, commas and punctuality and stuff like that, it's very important when you're writing, because one day my friend held the trade 25x Bitcoin. First it won minus 30%, after 2 days 77% up. Yeah, but are we gonna do that? It's gonna sweep the lows. It's gonna sweep the lows. I FOMO'd at the top again. I FOMO'd at the top again, guys. Every single day, I do the same mistake over and over again. Every single day. Every single day. Okay, over here it looks like it's bottom, right? Over here it looks like it's, you know, this channel up here is top. Instant regret, guys. I don't know. Is this good for trading, like instant regrets? I don't know. They're playing with your minds. Like, I longed and it goes down. I know you guys are shorting. I mean, there is no other explanation. You guys are playing against me. There is no other explanation. Literally shorted the top over here. Set stop loss at last swing low. Nah, I'm not gonna put that swing low. If it break a low, you out, no more bleeding. You know what? You know what? We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. We are overreacting a little bit because of you know entering at formal green candles. You know, just overreacting a little bit. We're gonna be fine, no problem. This bottom over here is gonna go up here and then towards the upside. It's good. We're fine. No worries. Life is good. You know, it's gonna happen. Only down $5. You know, it's fine. By the way, guys, I don't know if you noticed, but there is only one like on this video. And I've been streaming for 49 minutes. I don't know what you're doing with your life. You know, I'm just saying. Stop longing. Stop longing what, man? Hold for 15 minutes, you'll be in profit. Nah, you know, I'll need to wreck my account by that time. I don't know, maybe the YouTube is not actually showing the right like ratio over here. It says 1 like. I don't know, maybe it's wrong. 1 like, I don't know. It actually says only 1 like. There is only 1 like on this video. You can't long in downtrend Bitcoin. That like is mine. No, that like is mine. I pressed like button. It only says like. I think like buttons are a little bit. What are you gonna say? They're a little bit bugged or something like that. I think they're bugged. I don't know. Maybe. Why am I pressing? There we go. Over here. Recovering, guys. Recovering. There's a recovery happening on the chart. 1 minute chart. Recovery happening. And no longer. We already short. Yes. Stop shorting against me. I don't like you guys. I'm gonna start trading by myself. Booked $90 on ICP long at 7.49 right after close 4-hourly candle. Good night. Nice. Very nice. Congratulations, man. Naim Tariq. Well done, man. Regrets. Here you go. Nah, it's still bleeding down. You know, the price is weak. I mean, it looks really, really weak. I'm looking at Bitcoin over here, and you know, it's weak, guys. I gotta tell you that it's weak. Like, I see no breakups. Like, nothing, nada, zero bullishness. So, you know, but at least we are at some kind of lows, right? I mean, you know, we did kind of long this stop over here, whatever. But you know, to be honest, you know, at least it's not over here, right? At least it's not over here. You know, some kind of bottom it is, right? It's okay. The U.S. markets will be closed tomorrow. Yeah, 4th of July, so U.S. markets will be closed. Why? You know. But I don't know how it's played before. Is it always so that, you know, when 4th of July comes, you know, we dump? I don't know, somebody should do some kind of statistics on that. 4th of July dump, 5th of July pump, or something like that, right? Maybe something like the moons. And there's a new moon with... By the way, is the new moon right now? Nah, we still good, we still good. We still don't have a new moon just yet. This is just slowly, painfully, you know, zigzagging below our entry point. We are not even in profit. The fees are killing me, man. $1.1 in fees. Sorry, $1.5 in fees. No, realized these are fees. Realized are fees, right? This is unrealized profit. This is, you know, $1.1. So fees are $1.1. Guys, so now you know, if you have $200 and you trade for $200, the fees are $1. My 3x short is 14% up on it. Nice, very, very nice. There we go. Our entry is the resistance. If you break the entry point, we good, guys, we good. By the way, let's obviously 50.24. A long entry. 50.24. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Maybe there is hope, there is hope, there is juice. I think we can do it, guys. It's okay. You know, I'm a believer once again. Maybe. I mean, this line definitely needs to be broken, right? Over here. There goes some kind of line over here. That needs to be broken eventually. But, you know, there is belief that, you know, for whatever reason, this can actually bounce a little bit. Hold it, I told you, hold it for 15. Why 15 minutes, man? Why? I mean, do you know how long 15 minutes is? Like, there's 30, like, we just had this, you know, 15-minute close down here. 50 minutes is a long time, man. 13 minutes close, still nothing over here. 1 hour is, you know, we did create this very nice wick on the 1 hourly time frame. So there is that 4 hourly time frame. There is also this very nice wick over here. So, you know, maybe the wick is done. Maybe the juice is done. Maybe we did okay this time around. I don't know, but you know, I'm getting euphoric already. I should probably take some profits. You know, it's up. I don't know how much is it up. It's up, you know, 0.12%. But I think we should take profits. Sorry, tell you for free, but there is more pain to come across the board. Abby, don't do this to me. Don't do it to me, man. I don't know if I can handle it. I don't know if I can handle it. I need this to go up. Like, for the sake of this stream, for the sake of entertainment, and the future prospects of trading. Because if we get wrecked, I mean, there will be like 3 more streams and it's done. It's done, right? So, you know, this is B or not B. We gotta make it. Unfortunately, it's getting rejected by the moving averages. Cannot even break the moving averages. How weak are you if you cannot break the moving averages? But it's nice curvature over here. I mean, there is hopium. There is hopium. Should have taken profits up here. Should have taken profits. I regret. The regret is big. Oh man, it's gonna go down. I'm doomed. The life. Oh man, it's gonna go below the blue box. It's gonna go below the blue box. Nah, it's okay. We're back in green. Life is good again. No worries. It's just messing with us a little bit. It's just 1 minute time frame. Should we watch this on 5-second time frame now? I'm gonna get, you know, to the mental hospital. Watch this on 5 seconds. Okay, guys, we're good. We are back up on 10 moving average. Higher highs on the chart on 1 minute, 5 minute time frame. All good and dandy. Oh, look at this week's on 10 minutes time frame, and oh, this is juicy. This is juicy and nice. At least up here. I mean, at least up here. At least the 20. Like, tap the 20 moving average, please. That's gonna be 0.8. Like, we can almost take profit. We can almost take profit at 20 moving average. If it goes up there, like, we can take profits on 20 moving average. Can you do that? Where is it? Oh, yeah, this is, you know, this is like 10 minute time frame. Like, this is 0.8%. Like, we can take profits. Look at that. Oh, that juicy green train. We got a green train. I'm about to cry, guys. I'm about to cry. It's so juicy. Imagine if you caught the button. Imagine if you caught the button. Oh man. Oh. The juice. Oh, we managed to close above the 20 moving average on the 5 minute time frame. I keep pulling it down a little bit. Hopefully we don't get some kind of bearish engulfing or something like that. Bitcoin is not doing that much. I don't want to watch Bitcoin over here. But we're in profit. We got money. We got money. 2.8 bucks, guys. 2.8 bucks in profit. We can close the trade right now and still be in profit. That's huge. That's huge. You're getting late and long. What do you mean late and long? $100 profit today. Let's go. Void is doing the well. Lucky. Guys, it's gonna be okay. I think it's gonna be okay. I mean, I'm a little bit, you know, man, it's going down again. Let's take 5 minute break. Maybe by the time I come back, you know, it's in green again. I don't know. What did you do, guys? What did you do? What did you do? I cannot even go 5 minutes for a break in wrong direction. Invert the chart and change the colors, man. This ain't good, guys. This ain't good. I'm gonna tell you right now, this ain't good. But we are tapping the support over here. I cannot close down on support. Pain, pain, pain. No pain, gay. No game, no pain. No game, no pain. Got rejected on the resistance on the channel. Got rejected on the resistance. Let me see the volume over here. Look at the volume on this candle up here, but there is no volume up here. This is a 1 minute time frame, 1 minute closing in 9 seconds. Do we have a doji? Do we have a doji? 5 minute closing in 4 minutes. Fortunately, no doji. Looks like crap. Bitcoin is pooping the pants. 1 hourly, 5 minute time over here. I think Bitcoin wants to go again. Oh man, I think we gotta exit the trade. I tried to warn you. You tried to warn me. I'm gonna hold you accountable for your words, man. If this moves in this direction right now, you know, you are not allowed to say anything bearish for the next week, okay? Anything bearish. Like if this goes all the way up there right now, if it bounces over here and goes up to here, you're not allowed to say one bearish word for 1 week. Totally try a reverse trade once. It's okay, we're not dead yet. We're still floating. It looks bad. The ocean is big. But you know, there is hope. We see some light at the end of the, you know, on the horizon. Maybe it's a boat, we don't know. We are on the support, guys. We are on the support. I mean, technically support is down, you know, something like, you know, another 14% down. Like big support, like 50 moving average on the weekly time frame. But you know, on 1 minute time frame, we are on the support. We are on the blue box. And the buyers are coming in, guys. The buyers are coming in. I told you are the worst. I don't know what you said just right. I told you are the worst. You missed a word there. I don't know which word you missed, but there is a word that's lacking in that sentence. I told you are the worst. I told you you are the worst. Some word is lacking there. I don't know which one. Fair value gap will push price lower. Fair value gap. Where is the fair value gap? There we go. We are back in, you know, we are actually not. Why is this entry 24, entry 25? Why is this not a 24? No, this is a 24. But this line looks like we are, oh, this is on Binance. Why are we watching Binance chart? Doesn't matter. We have all the lines on Binance chart, so you're gonna keep watching Binance chart. What's fair value gap is only for is that OnlyFans account? Come on, daddy needs new shoes and a new car. Man, that car is a little too much. Let's start with the shoes. Shoes and glasses. Shoes and glasses. I think it's gonna be fine, guys. I think it's gonna be fine. I think it's gonna be fine. It was just, you know, big dump to get everybody scared. Now it can pump above the resistance because you know, it doesn't want to drop anymore. It's done dropping. It was like, you know what, I'm done dropping. You see, it went down to support level, and right now bouncing. We are in profit again. We are in profit again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the, you know, master class in how to trade. I told you so are the worst. Oh, okay. Yeah, but you see, you forgot something on that line. I told you so are the worst. Yeah, they are. But you know, that's life. That's how life goes over here. Go home, you're drunk. I'm not. I'm drinking water, man. I'm good, man. I think it's the steak that's talking. Wife made some very nice juicy steak. I don't know. When I make steak, you know, it's okay. When wives make steak, it's so juicy, so good. I don't know, but you know, we make the same way, but here it just tastes so much good. And my only, you know, reasoning for that is, you know, she makes it with love. I don't know. Come on, you stupid chart, break up. Break up or go home. Come on, you can do this move. Look at this. Look at that ugly rejection. Come on. There we go. Above the moving averages. 10, 20, 50, above the 10, 20, 50 moving average on 1 minute time frame. This can go. This looks juicy. It's trying to break. Now it's getting rejected again. It doesn't want to go. Still 27 seconds to go. We are pulling back down from the entry point over here, and it looks like the late double is gonna go into the loss today as well. He's right now down $2, $2.3 right now down. One is 1.16%. The price is holding still. The buyers and the sellers are unsure which way to go. Are they gonna buy? Are they gonna sell? We don't know. We don't know right now. Still 1.5% is pulling a little bit up. Still continuing crashing towards downside. The losses are increasing to 3.1%, 2.7% right now, 1.36%. There we go. We saw a little bit of the green candle, but it's not gonna hold. It's gonna go down. It's like being a drag race, you know, or some kind of football match. Excitement. There we go. Bitcoin is actually doing nice. Bitcoin is doing, I don't know if you can see this over here on 1 minute time frame. I mean, Bitcoin is doing juicy. Bitcoin is doing very, very juicy right now. It's pumping towards upside. For the last 4 candles, it's just been pumping towards upside. On 5 minute time frame, you can see here the pump over here after this consolidation that's been happening down here at the bottom. Right now, it's pumping outside of that consolidation. It's trying to go up. The 20 moving average is gonna be a big rejection level that needs to, you know, break above. On the 5 minute time frame, it's still trying to hold this above this 10 moving average. It did create this very, very nice support level down here at 59.692. The big question is whether it's gonna break up or not. Right now, the RSI is very, very low. It went all the way down to 29 levels. It is trying to break up. This RSI trend is still not broken, still has a little bit while to go, but it looks like the 10 moving average is getting rejected right now. We might see some lower lows over here. Still 2 minutes and 52 seconds on the 5 minute time frame. How is Phantom doing? Phantom is going back down again, unfortunately breaking the support level as well. We're gonna move the line because that's what we do over here on the channel. Right now the blue box and the line is the most important thing right now on the chart. And just pump, man, just pump. After match commentary, listening trading commentary. And goal! No goal, no goal. Goal in the opposite direction. You know, when these, you know, football commentators, you know, when their team is, you know, scores goal, like, goal! They go crazy. But if another guys go score, and there we go, we got a goal. So, what's next? Tomorrow is the next match against this and that guy. By the way, who is playing right now? Today, there is nobody playing today. Friday, we got Spain-Germany. That's like finale. You gotta watch that game. Spain-Germany, Friday at 6 o'clock. That's gonna be very big, man. And we got a Portugal-France. Nobody cares about those two. England-Switzerland. We also wanna watch that and see England lose versus Switzerland, because then everybody in England is gonna go mad. And then we got a Netherlands-Germany, Netherlands-Turkey. Netherlands-Turkey is, I think it might be okay, but best case scenario, the way I see it for finale in this, you know, championships is Netherlands versus Germany or Spain. But right now, I mean, Friday is like finale, like Spain versus Germany. That's gonna be a big match. FOMO is real. Dump it. Mladen, why do you hate me? Why do you want me to lose money? I don't get it. I don't get it. Pump it. Spain winning. You think Spain winning? I haven't been watching, so I don't know how they are playing right now. But you know, usually these you know, cups, I do watch, you know, semi-finals, quarterfinals, and quarterfinals, semi-finals, and finals, because those are the most exciting matches. Everything else just like bob. Bitcoin still failed to break up above the 10 moving average over here. Like, get rejected, get rejected, get rejected over here. Like Bitcoin football. Almost like Bitcoin football. Unfortunately, guys, I think we are close to the bottom. Unfortunately, we cannot afford to lose, you know, 50 bucks. And the move down, it is happening. It got rejected, lower lows, it is pulling back down. Bitcoin over here, let me see this 5 minute candle, because Bitcoin is going to create this doji over here. Right now, perfect doji. And there is a good chance to bounce over here right now. If it wants to bounce, a little bit down and then bounce. Let's see. Try lesser leverage, but where is the fun in that? This is also a 1 minute time frame, actually. I think we are close to the bottom, but I think right now this is going to go into some kind of, unless it pumps right now, it's going to go into some kind of liquidation candle and then pump, right? Unless it pumps right now, it's going to go into some kind of liquidation candle and pump. I mean, there is nothing else, right? Unless it pumps right now from this support level, from this blue box over here. Another few minutes, I show speed stream. Pump it. By the way, guys, did you see that Visit Oslo commercial? It's all over YouTube. Like, let me show you. Like, it is really great. I don't know if you've seen it, so I'm gonna show you over here. I think we can play this. I don't think this is copyrighted, right? I think we can show this on stream, right? I think this is fine. Did you see this, guys? Let me just stop this over here. Yeah, let's not watch the chart for, you know, a couple of seconds over here and, you know, see what's happening.
I wouldn't come here, to be honest.
Wait. What is Bitcoin doing though? Nah, we gotta watch the charts, guys. We gotta watch the charts. We can play it afterwards. But, you know, it's a little bit... because this move down over here is scaring me, because it goes down below the blue box, it gets everybody wrecked, and then it goes up, right? Over here, 1-2% down over here, but it's pulling back up over here a little bit. In Norway, they only have battery-powered cars. What is happening in Norway, man? I'm gonna show you. I like this commercial, is really, really good. You know what? Let's just watch, because, you know, we got time. I think we have time. Let me show you the commercial. This is the new commercial from Visit Oslo. From Visit Oslo, and it's called "Is It Even a City?" And I think it's really good. And if you read the comments, they're just great. They're just great. I think this is the best tourism commercial I've ever seen. Norwegian humor is another level. You know, not exactly Mona Lisa, like you're gonna hear that. Beautiful idea. This ad feels like Joachim trying to move. I don't know. I really try to appreciate it. I really appreciate a commercial without joining crap ads. Like, it is really good. Like, this commercial is really, really good. I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, listen to this.
I wouldn't come here, to be honest. Oslo is just not... I mean, is it even a city? You know what I mean? Everything is just so available. You know, there's no exclusiveness. I grew up here, and I temporarily live here, unfortunately. I don't understand why people go swimming in the middle of the city. It's disgusting. Have you ever been to Istanbul? Oslo feels more like a village, maybe. I mean, you walk around a corner and it's like, oh, there's the prime minister. And you walk around the next corner, it's like, oh, there's the king. I mean, you could just walk from one side of town to the other in like 30 minutes. Try that in New York or Paris.
It's an American architect.
Culture? I don't know. If you don't have to stand in line for at least a couple of hours, is it even worth seeing?
Not exactly the Mona Lisa.
Sometimes I just walk right in off the street and get a table. And I'm not even famous. I mean, what does that tell you? I think a city should feel a little hard to get. It's like a good relationship, you know? It's not supposed to be easy.
It's not exactly Mona Lisa. And he's standing next to Scream. I don't know, it's really, really good commercial. So come to Oslo, guys. By the way, I don't know if you noticed, but when he's talking about, you know, over here.
It's an American architect.
It's American architect. This building over here, this is the US Embassy. It's a crappy old building, but you know, American architect. So that's why he's taking photo of it, you know, because he doesn't like Oslo, he like, you know, US. But I think it's funny. It's possible to live there with 5K a month. No way. 5K a month? Yeah, sure, why not? 5K is 50K. Yeah, definitely. Very easily, no problem whatsoever. You can live very comfortably with 5K a month over here. I don't know, guys. I think it's game over. Bitcoin over here is still pushing down. I mean, I think it's close. I just don't know where. You know, that's the problem. I don't know where. And I don't think you know, it might be over here. I don't know. That's the question. That's the thing. Like, it is, you know, this 5 minute time frame over here, like, this looks like a bottom to me, right? The problem is that he can do this, you know, big move over here and go towards upside up here, right? But unfortunately, I mean, this big move towards downside up here is, you know, 2% more down. I mean, technically it can do that, right? But I don't know. If it can hold, if it holds this area over here, like, I think we're good. Like, every pump gets rejected. Every single pump rejected. Rejected. Every single pump gets rejected. I lived 9 years in Drammen. Drammen is a hooligan's place. Blessed to live there. Just came to work in Copedia trade. Why would you do that, man? Didn't you learn anything for the past, I don't know, 10 streams or something like that? It just keeps bleeding until it actually gets that weak. How much is it takes on trading account? I have absolutely no idea. Maybe like, you know, 70%, something like that. I don't know. Norway is crazy. Anything takes in Norway is crazy. it's fine. Already got stopped out. If you get stopped out so fast, you're probably putting some very, very tight stop losses, which I might, you know, might be a good thing. I mean, instead of this entry over here, we could have had, you know, we entered over here. Instead of this entry over here, we could have been entering down here. Imagine the gains after that. Come on, Bitcoin, you know you can do it. Get above the 10 moving average, for crying out loud. It's only something like, you know, 0.18%. There is resistance, there is 20 moving average over here. Just get it back up there, man. Mental stop loss. I short just for fun. There is no such thing as fun. Bitcoin is consolidated inside a box down at the bottom, and especially on the 50-minute time frame. If you look here on the 50-minute, like look at this box over here. Oh, look at that! Look at that! To the resistance on the dollar. But we are not bouncing. Bitcoin bounced, but we didn't bounce. Bitcoin bounced like 10% over here. 0.10%, 0.2%. I mean, it did go all the way down to the bottom though, to these weeks. So yeah, you know, if this 4 hour is gonna play out well, you know, it needs to go right now. Oh, I'm gonna cry, guys. I'm going to cry. Look at that. Boom. Did you learn about CVD like I asked? No, I did not. But Miguel Dos Santos, did you join our public Telegram channel? Yes or no? Yeah, this downturn over here, it's good, guys, it's good. But look here, man. I don't know how you do it. I do not know what kind of technique they have that our entry is actually on the dollar right now, resistance level. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it. This is some next level manipulation. It gotta be manipulation. Somebody is sitting there watching my YouTube channel and it's like, you know what? I'm not gonna let it go above, you know, 0.5024, short it to, you know, ground. They're watching the stream. They gotta be watching the stream. That's only explanation. There is. I mean, there is nothing over here. Like there is maybe something over here, but there is no moving average or no line over here or anything. No, on the dollar, my long entry right now is a resistance level, and the only possible explanation that watching my stream, it's a scam. Manipulators hate me. They want my $200. That's the only explanation. I was just joking. No, it's not a joke. You join my, you know, public Telegram channel and I check out CVD for you. New rule maybe. What is the new rule? I'll join your Telegram group. There you go. You join my Telegram group. You join my Telegram, and you know what the first thing you're gonna do is post me some CVD links where I can read about stuff, so I don't have to look it up. Soon we will double line 1K. Hit this resistance level, right? This is what I expect, but Bitcoin, And we also had a nice bounce, but just got rejected over here. 5-minute time frame. 5-minute closing in 1 minute. Don't overreact. Don't overreact. Don't overreact. I'll invite you to our Bybit community. You got a Bybit community, man. I'm called Bitman on Tele. I don't see you. Let's see here. 65 members. Bitman. No Bitman over here, man. No Bitman in our Telegram channel, man. Draw a box in your range long from bottom discount range and short the top premium range. Draw. Give me a second. If this isn't like you are in the blue box, man, you are in the blue box. Technically, the blue box should be over there, down here. I don't think it wants to go down there, man. I don't think. I mean, if it goes down there, it gets everybody wrecked over here that went long, right, including ourselves. On the other hand, if it goes right now, then all of the people that want to long this part over here never get in. Can't find it in the description. It's in the description, man. It's literally TA. It's literally t.me/TA fans club. Just write in the you know on your on Google or wherever, right, on your browser. It looks so weak. Every pump gets wrecked. Every move gets, you know, stopped out. Enter it again. Short it. Tight SL. There's a link on top of the chat. Maybe I can just do it like this over here. No, I cannot. Is this a falling wedge, guys? Is this a falling wedge? Is there hope? The range is getting tighter and tighter. The problem with these falling wedges, they often do this and then go towards the upside. I cannot handle this, that's the problem. JS joined the group. Miguel Dos Santos didn't join, but JS did. Big moves, big moves, big moves. Why don't you want to go up, man? Why don't you want to make money? Why don't you want to make people happy? There we go. Bitman joined the group. Welcome to the chat, man. Now post me some CVD stuff. As soon as Bitman joined, the price started going up. Coincidence? I don't think so. Like this curvature over here, like I don't know if you can see it up here. This curvature is nice. Can we invert the chart? Wow, too many lines. Is it over here? Let's see, this line should go somewhere over here. When in doubt, invert chart. I mean, this move up here is losing volume. I think it needs to go. I don't know about you. I think it needs to go. I think it's time. But if it doesn't want to go, I don't know what to tell you, man. I mean, if I was the chart, I would go up. If I was the chart, I would be like, you know what? It's enough. Let's go. The bottom is in Bitcoin shorts could be incoming. You think? Don't get my hopes up, man. Bitcoin pulling like a dog. One hourly got nothing. 4 hourly we got nothing. Not even a lower week over here. On the daily time frame we got nothing. TLR the chart. And this over here. $56K dump. Why do you hate me, man? Why does everybody want it to dump? I don't get it. Are you guys short so hard that you cannot see a little bit bullishness in the move towards the upside? Is everybody shorting the chat? Is everybody shorting except me? It's breaking these lows. It broke these lows. It broke breaking these lows. It's pumping back up again. So everybody shorting beside me. This is what I'm looking at, guys. Do you want to see what? Do you want to see what? What's his name? Miguel dos Santos is looking at. By the way, can I post the chart, man? Anything posted in the chat is, you know, allowed to be reposted. So I'm gonna do it. Okay, tell you owe me 47 bucks. This is what Miguel is. He's got spider lines because he's probably watching the you know, crypto face channel. He's looking at 18% dump down to 48K levels. Now, why this green line is over here? I have absolutely no idea. There is some red arrow over here. There's a whole bunch of arrows. So, by the way, here's a pro tip. Pro tip number one when you're posting the charts. By the way, when you post the charts, remove anything unnecessary. These lines over here, these lines, any kind of lines removed. Like, I don't know how you came to this green line, but there's just one line and the percent down to 18% towards downside. Doesn't tell me anything, man. But thanks for posting in the chat, but you know, I don't see it. Here's a big chart. Some kind of parabolic move over here. There is some kind of, you know, spider lines over here from this move over here. He's looking at this green line. I still don't get where you get the green line from over here. Maybe this top over here. Where is the green line from? Because it's neither the yellow lines nor the spider lines. How do you find the green line? Can you just say the price and don't say why? There we go. This is it, guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. And now it needs to bounce. It is in the blue box. You picked up everything, man. We are down by, you know, a whole bunch, 20 bucks. If this is not it, I don't know, man. Green line is the 0382 fib. Okay. So I get it a little bit better now. But then, instead of posting all these lines, you should just draw on the fib and say, you see over here, this is 038.5 fib. You know, that I would say, I don't understand this, right? Because nobody understands what the green line is like. It is nice, but you know, at least right now we know. I have neater charts, that's good. We all short. Everybody short beside me. Life. When life gives you lemons, you open TLR stream, check out what he does, and you do the opposite. Pump it right back up, come on, come on. Trade close, why would I close my trade? Why would I close my trade in liquidity zone? Why would I give my money to market manipulators, scammers? Wait for 58k. What kind of 58k you talking about, man? We are right now at 59, 58k is all the way down there. So you're looking for the wick down. I mean, technically speaking, is there a probability? I mean, kinda. Let's go over here and look what's happening on the chart over here. This over here broke right now. Consolidating. Let's test over here. This 5 minute did not break yet. Still pushing down. Phantom up here. Still pushing down. Still getting rejected by these moves. Check 2021 December chart of S&P and Bitcoin. Both were at the top and dumped for the next 1 year. But S&P is not dumping now. S&P is doing fine. Check out Trader's Reality, just going live now. He's a good trader. Trader's Reality is that guy, Tony, eloquently spoken, most eloquently spoken guy on entire YouTube. Unfortunately, I don't believe he's a good trader. He's a good speaker. Because I've never seen one, you know, trade once. So I don't know. Maybe he's a great trader. I don't know. He's really good to talk. But, you know, trading, maybe he's good at investor. But I haven't seen him trade. Maybe he's a good trader. Maybe he's a better trader than me. I don't know. Both are on all-time high right now. Yeah, they're not all high now. That doesn't mean it's going to go down for 1 year. I'll post charts tomorrow in Telegram. Yeah, you guys, you post charts in the Telegram and we'll look at it. Are all those lines need to look after that? 95k peak for years. Seems whack. Yeah. Okay, is top for next 100 years. Better than you? Well, that's a stretch. He's probably better than me. Like you see my trades. All the trades, bro. He's 14k a day. I don't know. He trades 14k a day. That's good. But you know, does he call the trades day before? Does he show he trades live? Do you see him placing the trades, or does he just say, "I just shorted this, I just long this"? I don't know what he does. He shows them. No, he makes them. He shows live trades when he's shorting and longing. He shows winners and losers. Okay. I haven't been following this. I don't know, you know. Do you trade only because I trade Forex indices? Nah, only crypto. The problem with this move down here, there's actually not a lot of volume on this move down. It went down into this liquidity area, and there was no liquidity to get picked up. And right now it's just going up. Nobody sold. We went down below the previous week over here. Inside this area, there should be a lot more spike over here, but nothing came in. Tino, yeah, but he trades just S&P and Nasdaq. Maybe there is something there. It will be finished in 14. Sorry guys, I'm out of the cam. Not even 100. EQ, it will be finished in 40 seconds. What will be finished in 40 seconds? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Oh, we got a 1 hourly close, guys. We got a 1 hourly close. I did not even see that 5 minutes ago. We got a 1 hourly close. There is just a bearish candle over here on Bitcoin on 1 hourly over here. We got some kind of doji up here, but nothing, you know, special. There is not even a doji, it's a hammer at most. 4 hourly over here, 1 hourly, 2 hourly up here. Do we have 2 hourly anything over here? Nah. Still just bleeding, squeezing it down like a dog. Tino's a businessman at trade. He knows how to sell the dream to every beginner. Maybe that's that. But you know, I like him. I like to listen to talk. But he talks too much about, you know, volume and this and that, and you know, fundamentals, and you know. So I like the guy. The guy is nice. Like, he's really easy to listen to. Like, Tino is really great to listen to when you sit in your car. You have to do a, you know, 2-hour drive, and you just put some Tino on, and you know, it's nice to listen to it. You know, it's very chill. But I don't know. I've never taken the time to figure out whether he is a, you know, good trader or not trader, or what he does. He's doing Bitcoin now. What is the? I hope he says that Bitcoin is gonna go up. I don't know. Trader's reality. Look at that. He's live. He's talking about Federal Reserve. That's what he's doing. Where is the chart of Bitcoin? He doesn't have any chart of Bitcoin. He's talking about Federal Reserve.
May people be aware that it is so enthusiasts. Let's just look at it.
Some people are good at trading, other people are me. Which one is the best trader in your opinion? Mladen. I don't know, because when you're talking about traders, like traders, how trades, like scalp traders, like I am doing right now, scalping, you know, moves up and down. 5 minutes move, hourly move, 10-hour move, or you know, swing traders that are, you know, buying and selling, you know, low leverage, right? Or some kind of investor like Warren Buffett that buys and, you know, sells 3 years later. Is he a trader? Like where does the line go between a trader and an investor, right? If you buy something, you hold it for, you know, 2 months, are you trader or investor, right? If that time frame goes down to 1 month, are you still a trader or investor? At what point do you become a trader and not an investor? By buying and selling. That's what I want to know. Boom! On the dollar! Somebody up there hates me. Literally hates me. How is this even possible? Like, how is this even possible? He's a scalper. Am I a scalper? Tino's a scalper. Does Tino do 14K a day by scalping? Is this true? Tino does 14K a day by scalping. Let's take a quick 5-minute break.
From a fight.
Oh la la, oh la la, oh la la, oh la la. Paulo in the chat posted this chart. I don't know, do you guys think this is the case, that Bitcoin is gonna go like, you know, like 80? What was it, Paulo? No, Bitman post, like, do you think this is the case that Bitcoin is gonna go like, you know, 95 for next 100 years? What kind of indicator? Oh, this is the market cipher or something like that. So we are at the top right now. By the way, there is something very bearish on the chart, by the way, guys. There is something very bearish on the chart. I don't know if I'm gonna show you right now, or are we gonna wait until the Bitcoin daily to show you that. But there is actually something very bearish on the chart. Yes, on fund accounts, multiple of them. TL-line profits. Are we in profits? I don't know. Nah, we are still in a loss. But you know, it's better than it was, so it's good. And we are above this 50 moving average over here, so this looks bad. If it breaks up, like it's gonna go, but if this normally breaks down. Bitcoin's doing okay on 15 minute. Just had a close on 15 minute over here. See 15 minute chart over here. Still haven't broken up. Life. See, Bitcoin's doing okay. Now we need this to do okay. This looks like it broke the trend though. See, it broke down right now over here. We need this to bounce. I have him, he was bearish at 25k. Hope the stream ends in profit. I hope so too, man. We bought Phantom. One more pump, go take seller's liquidity. Down again, down. Now we sell Phantom. Why? I don't know. I don't understand. Like, you guys watch my stream, and only thing you hope for is for me to lose money.
Financial point of view, everyone to sell. So that place is going.
Wait, I'm watching Tino. Let me see what he says about Bitcoin.
Right?
Can somebody update me on what he says on Bitcoin?
The wrong buyers. Okay? Let me explain.
You think Bitcoin is gonna go up or down? Too many lines, too many lines. think this line was nice, but failed to break up. It went over here into liquidity, but there was no volume up here. Was there a volume over here? There was some volume over here inside the liquidity area, but not that much. Yeah, getting a 4-hourly candle, maybe. See, when it starts consolidating over here, like this over here, and you see this move down here, oftentimes it dumps down at, you know, very close to the bottom, and then you get a volume candle, and that volume candle goes up. If you call this volume candle, it'll be like, you know, 85%. Bro, the question is, if you want it to go up, what does it need to do first? What it needs to do? It already did what it did need to do. It dumped big time. It's creating this pattern, the falling wedge over here, a channel. The only thing it needs is to break up above this line, which actually did right now, and go up. But it's on small time frames, so I'm a little bit unsure whether that's the case. So let's remove a couple of lines over here, and the blue zone over here, and this line over here. Let's go big time frames over here. Still getting rejected by this 10 moving average over here. Like this 10 moving average, this white line, just kind of getting it, you know, smacked. Chances now close the trade, put short. See the volume on this thing over here. 1 hourly. 1 hourly doesn't matter because over here we got some kind of dodge up here on 30 minutes, but 30 minutes doesn't matter. 15 minutes, bearish engulfing candle, right back down again. If I was the line, where would I put the line? If I was the line, where would I put the line? You go up another, you know, something like 0.93%. You need to take profit. Let me see how much profit I got. I got 20 bucks profit. See, when it starts zigzagging down here and you see one coming in, that's oftentimes, you know, where the liquidity is being picked up. So right now it's picking up the liquidity. So the problem right now is if it dumps right now, it's pretty much over. Because the dump now, you know, does this move over here and then right back up there again. But it did the big move, right? So you see over here, when it was starting bleeding over here, bleeding, pushing down, and then you have this move over here, this is the liquidity grab. And right now, just consolidating over here, you know, before it breaks up and goes up. I think we are at the right place. I just don't know. When. This 10 minute up here closed right now. I gotta change my strategy. Like these 2-hour streams, I really don't fancy them that much, to tell you the truth. Like 2-hour streams is not my thing. I think we need to do, you know, trades faster. We need to find some volatility. I'm working on this, you know, volatility indicator. But I haven't been doing something went wrong. I'm doing working this volatility indicator, and I need to get it done. Because that will allow us to find something volatile that we can trade in, spend 15 minutes, something like that, and still get our, scalps in. In the daily, it looks like falling knife. close the trade tomorrow. 1000 Pepe is good for scalping. I don't know, like over here, these moves over here right now are, you know, something like 1%. So these are actually quite big moves. Unfortunately, we went at, you know, at the wrong time on that move over here. Where it was somewhere over here. So, you know, went the wrong direction, but the volatility is okay. But this consolidation part up here is not. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure the move up here, buy bottoms, buy short supports. We're gonna just do the moves. Tomorrow is another day, better call today. Yeah, but I'm going to send you an invite to our group. It's a Bybit official group. I was in a Bybit official group, but you know, what kind of Bybit official? Like Bybit official where they spam with your, you know, ads all the time. There is a Bybit official group, but you know, I get spammed from that group all the time, so I left. What kind of Bybit official group? But yeah, send me an invite, man. Ooh, Bitman. Look at that, man. Long in Pepe. He's telling me it's gonna go down, but he's doing 50x long on Pepe. He's telling me everything's gonna go down, but he's doing long. Goddamn scammer. No wonder everybody's losing money. People are saying it's gonna go down, and then, you know, hour later, they're like, look at my long position. 50x. But it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down to 58. It's gonna go down to 57. And then, look at me. Winning. Ha, you didn't long. Haha. 2 trades one day. Nah. I need this to bounce for effing S sake. Let's adjust the lines a little bit over here. Because this over here, channel up here, let's put it like this over here right now. And wait for the 5-minute close. It's not all the way down there. I gave him Phantom, now went long on render instead. I have swing shorts. Yeah, you have this, you have that. Bro, how about you add a new strategy to your trading, more entertaining? I suggest DTFX. I don't do strategy is very simple. Buy the support, shorter resistance. That's the strategy. Find the channel, find the trend, shorter resistance, long support. That's it. That's all the strategy we need. The only thing I need is for this move over here to go up here. I don't know how far, but it just needs to go up. That's it. Bitcoin is right now doing nicely on 50-minute time frame. We are not doing that nicely on 50-minute time frame. There's a big divergence up here, so it might help a little bit. Oh man. Seriously, I need to find a way where we can trade for 1 hour and be done with the trade. You know, this 2 hour, nobody wants to watch us, you know, 2 hour trading stream. Like, it's just too boring. You know, and I cannot keep up entertainment for 2 hours. So, you know, we need to increase the activity and trades. We need to be faster on the moves, you know, for entertainment, you know. We want to get in, get out. We don't want to do the stuff, right? So waiting for 2 hours for something to happen, although might be, you know, okay-ish profitable eventually, hopefully. It's not really good for pain. So what we are working here on this channel is to make the, you know, the channel entertaining. You need to trade the big volume flushes. Yeah. So like over here, this is a big volume flush. And if you look at over here on small time frames, there was also, you know, this one over here. And there was also this one over here. But more important than flushes is the channels. And when it goes outside of the channels with a volume, that's the important stuff. This is fun. I don't know, man. It would have been more fun if we, you know, shorted it. Like, imagine we shorted this over here right now. You know, we already done with the trade, at least 10%. We can take profit, go to sleep, whatever, right? Bitcoin just barely holding, but this 15-minute candle, you know, 15-minute candle looks nice. 4-hourly closing in 2 minutes and 2 hours and 30 seconds. By the way, guys, there is something very bearish on the chart. Which I don't like. Do you see any retest on this line? This is a problem. See over here, there is a retest. See over here, there is no retest. That's bearish. That's bad. Mladen is posting hope, you guys. Can you do like this? Didn't know that. This is actually nice because it takes into consideration the entire channel, but I don't know whether we should, you know, look at this top over here as some kind of, you know, top. Especially since over here doesn't hit anything over here. But let me try to do something like that. Let me try to do something like that. So we're gonna take this top over here. We're gonna take this over here. I'm gonna change time from a little bit over here. I mean, this line is a lot better though. Qcoin. No, I think this is a fake cut. I think this over here is. This looks so nice though, especially because of this wick over here on the back side as well. Maybe double bottom over here, right? Maybe they're doing this over here and then needs to break up here at 95 or something like that. Let's wait a little bit. E tacere, check 2V, MACD crosses. One hourly closing 26 minutes. 4 hourly close 2:20. This bleeding can, you know, continue for a long time. Like it's just ranging over here. It's been ranging since, you know, 8 o'clock. Just slowly pulls up, pulls down, pulls up, pulls down. It doesn't do anything, man. You should have probably been better off just, you know, longing Pepe or Dogecoin or something like that. Now everything is still pulling down. Where is the 20 moving average? Because 20 moving 50. You have to remain objective on trading. You know you can't always be right, so why not swing both ways? I don't know, man. A little short on Pepe I posted. Posted short on Pepe. Yeah, I actually did. 50x, 855% profit. Nice, very, very nice. Depends on where top is. It's around 100k. It's very impossible. Bybit, South Africa. 15,000 people. Nah, I'll pass, man. $15,000 people in the chat. It is time. Don't you guys agree it is time? Like look at his bleed over here, man. Look at his bleed. I think it's time. I think it's time. Sub the low and run up. Seems like set pattern playing out now on the daily over 152 days on Bitcoin, like the reaccumulation 23 before the breakout. There's a lot of that's actually playing out like before. There we go, double bottom up here, breaking above that. Looks nice. I'm not excited anymore, so you know. We go up pretty good. Good place to get your affiliation going. Nah, it's okay. Guys, if you want to use my affiliate link, you're welcome to do so, but yeah. There is definitely a line over here somewhere, right? This is the line, regardless. I don't know how you look at it, but you know, this is the line. This no, like it needs to break this. If you look at a little bit bigger time frames, I think it's okay. Like this is what I call exhaustion pattern, right? You have a big move up, pull back. You have a big move up, pull back, and then you exhaust the pattern up here towards the upside. Then you break this and you end dump. you know. Oh, look at that. Almost. I was almost happy. Almost. It was so close. It was so close. Maybe this is the one. I don't know. Lines are hard, man. Let's do it like this over here. Where is the lows over here? This one over here. Nice. But it needs to start not from the middle somewhere. Then when this string broke, this something like this. Then when this trend broke, starts over here. So went up, pull down, pull, start curving a little bit over here. Right now it is breaking, so where would I put it over here? Bitcoin pump a little bit, Bitcoin pump a little bit. Not much, 15-minute time frame up here. Still haven't broken the trend, so nothing is set in stone. So Bitcoin is definitely not out of the trend yet. See, on the dollar. 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Try to get up. See here. Try to get up. Try to get up. Try to get up. Try to get up again. Where is the 50 moving average? Three minutes on the 50-minute time frame. Cannot even get above 10 moving average. We're repeating 20 separate. Okay. Just, but I absolutely. You said so many things over there, man. Just join our Telegram channel and tell me, look at the chart. It's a lot easier. If you join our Telegram channel, it's a public Telegram channel, so you can join. It's free. And you go into the channel and you just post the chart. And say, hey man, check the chart in the Telegram channel. And I'll check the chart. Sure, there you go. Bottom is 2 months followed by a pump to 1890k and end of cycle. But 2 months until bottom, that could be the case, you know, waiting until July, August, then September, October we pump. November, December, consolidate and end up. I need to get some water. Let's take 5 more minutes. I'm telling you guys, tomorrow, next time, we're gonna do trades a lot quicker, a lot faster. We're gonna look for moves that are not consolidating, but actually trending, you know, hardly towards upside or downside, and we're gonna just catch something like that. We're not gonna do anything like this that's consolidating for, you know, 2 days. Okay, time to close the trade. Don't you guys think? Time to close, then say bye-bye. We are $1.06 in profit. We're gonna lose on fees. We're gonna have to go a little bit more up to close in profit. And the 2.5 hours of trading is for nothing. What's the entry price? 50.24. It's right here on the screen, man. Long entry, 50.24. But it is finally out of this channel. But it's trying to break out of the channel. Put stop loss, break even plus fees and let it run. But we don't have break even on fees yet, like 0.8%. We, fees are $2.2. Bitcoin has this 4-hourly trend going on. Where it increased in speed over here. So this is over here where it started. Let's pull up first. I think it's bearish, so I'm not interested in longs. But it's down 14%, something like that. Can we break the resistance over here right now? Looks like we are breaking the resistance. So we are getting the first higher high over here. First higher high. We still got a lower low. Still got a low and lower low on the chart, but we got a high and higher high over here on the chart. So some kind of expanding musical instrument over here. There we go, higher high. BTC rip looks like stop losses get triggered. I don't trust it. But there was so much shorting down here. You guys remember? There was so much shorting. Everybody in the chat was, I'm shorting, we're shorting, short. It's gonna go down, it's gonna go down. Short, short, short. So, I don't know. Bullish engulfing candle above the 10 moving average. It is very, very nice. I'm gonna go crazy tonight, guys. Here is what I'm thinking right now, or what I was thinking right now. I think there is very low probability on the daily time frame to do another 8% move down. 8% move down is my liquidation. Let's go over see here. Liquid price 45.61. Liquidation 45.61. That's around 8% down if I'm not mistaken, right? So from our entry all the way down, 9% down, 9.25% down. I think there is very low chance, like, I mean, chance is there, but it's low because you can go all the way down over there. But it's very, very low chance to get liquidated. So maybe we just keep the trade open overnight. What do you guys think? Should we just keep the trade open overnight? Bitcoin bottom in, hopefully. I mean, it's down like 14% on the day, so there will be a recovery a little bit tomorrow, I think. I mean, it doesn't have to be, but you know, there's a good chance for that. No. You don't think we should? Yeah. Hell no. I like streams. But we are not gonna get liquidated, guys. We're not gonna get liquidated. What if we put stop loss over here? Stop loss. What if we put stop loss over there? Like you know, all the retail traders, like pro retail traders, they put stop loss below the previous week. Should we do that? Put the stop loss over here. Previous week. That's gonna get us down to, you know, something like minus 1%. 10% down. So you lose like 20 bucks. Is this doable? Either stop loss over here, or we go to liquidation. What you guys think? Because if he pulls back down, I don't think he's gonna go down over here. But he can do weak us out. So I don't know. Should we be like pro retail and put our stop loss at the week down? Easy liquidation. People are not really happy about my, you know, my theory. Stop loss. I think stop loss is okay. Because I won't let this run. I don't want to stream anymore, but I do want to let it run a little bit more. And I might take profits during the night or tomorrow. I think you should what keeps you in the trading game. I mean, the most important part, of course, about streams is keeping us in trading. And I think stop loss will keep us in. I mean, we will only have 180, 170, 180 bucks, depending on, you know. When close to liquidation price, you buy more. Chart in the Telegram. There we go. We get a chart from Vinod Kumar in the Telegram. Have a look at this graph TLA, one that I mentioned in this chart. Copy, show, bam. Let's look at his chart. He's using MACD, stochastic. He has some kind of buy-sell indicator over here. Strong sell, strong buy. We don't see whether this is a strong sell or buy, but I'm gonna assume it's a strong sell. There are some lines over here. There's another line pointing down to something like, you know, 35k or something like that over here. There is a 40k over here, 43, 47, or 48, and then towards the upside. He's using, it looks like he's using emotional moving averages, but I'm a little bit unsure about it. This doesn't look like emotional moving averages, it looks like something else. So what are we supposed to get from the chart? I told you close trade tomorrow. Vantem, we just might do that. We just might close the trade tomorrow. Let it be open overnight and close tomorrow, because this said it took a little bit of time, and right now it's going up, so it's good. But I want to keep it going a little bit long, but I'm way too tired to stream right now. And Bitcoin is coming to resistance level right now. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to show you over here on the 15-minute time frame. Bitcoin is hitting this resistance level over here right now. But it is doing this bullish engulfing right back above the support level, above the 10 moving average. So it does look bullish. If you look at Bitcoin over here, there was a little bit volume up here as well. I mean, there is volume all over the place. Look at a MACD cross. I'm 40% in profits. Very nice, very nice. MACD cross. Oh, do you mean the bearish cross? The bearish cross doesn't matter. Breaking the line, you see over here, right over here, you see that we broke the zero line. That's important. You see over here we broke the zero line. That's important. So breaking the line towards upside or downside is very, very important. Bearish crosses are not important. What's important is when it starts curving up here at the top, because by the time you get a cross, it's already over. Over here there was a cross. This was actually very good, because over here it actually started going towards the upside. But these stops over here, these are very important over here. The crosses doesn't have to be that important. Bearish divergence, you're looking at divergence, you're looking to create a bearish divergence over here on the MACD as well. You can look into the future, man. Also, just a pro tip, you see these lines, they are useless. They make your chart more noisy. You see these horizontal grid lines, remove the lines. Like on my chart, there is no lines. There are noise on your chart. Remove all the noise. Anyways, guys, let's do the stop loss down here at what's that? 49.77 or something like that. Where is the chart? We're gonna do stop loss, and I'm gonna let it run overnight. Where is my? Where is the thing that, you know, text price label? 49.69. on the dollar. $49.67 on the dollar. So let's do that. 0.4967. Loss be 22 bucks, down 11%. Confirm. There we go, guys. We got a stop loss. We got our entry. We have been down there before. We don't want to get down there again. It tapped this 20 moving average on the dollar. And I'm gonna just let it go. Let it go, let it go. By the way, guys, thank you for stopping by. You know what to do with the like button. Destroy that like button on the way out. We got a public Telegram channel. Do join our public Telegram channel so you can share the charts. I'm gonna post the link over here somewhere. Where's the link? There we go. That's the link to our public Telegram channel. You're welcome to join and share the charts, share your win and losses. Show me what you're looking at, because it's a lot easier to see than than when people try to explain me what I should be looking at the charts. Oh, we got a video. Can you copy video over here? Let me check that out. You can actually copy video. No, it's just one image. He's showing some Bitman is showing some lines, some spider lines. Right now it's hitting one of those spider lines. So there's that. Look how incredibly accurate these spider lines are. Yeah, he likes spider lines. He likes the market cipher indicator. For TF fans, this is stops. Thanks for that. Anyways, guys, you know what to do with the link. You know what to do with the like button on the way out. Come back tomorrow. We got a day 18. We're not gonna write anything on day 70 today, but we already know it's Phantom. It's a long. It's 10x, and we start at 203 bucks. So we're gonna see how this ends tomorrow. So do join, and we'll see, whether we actually manage to, close in profit or not. We got a stop loss on our chart over here, towards the downside over here. Hopefully we don't get stopped out before it goes up. There's that. Guys, thank you for stopping by. I'm tired. 2.5 hour stream. We gotta do these streams a lot quicker. I'll see you around. Bye bye. Where is my outro?